Brad Schimmel, the Waukesha County DA, the only Republican candidate in this race, was on the program a couple weeks ago. He sort of called you out a bit. He said that if you were to be elected, if you were the next Attorney General, you would politicize the office. That's a reference to the fact that you challenged Act 10 in court. You thought it violated the open meetings law. How do you respond to his charge that you would politicize the office of Attorney General?
Well, if that's what you're pointing to, then you probably didn't understand what our challenge was too. We did not address whether Act 10 was good or bad legislation, and we were very careful in making sure that what we were addressing was the citizens' right to access their own government. It was making sure that those who write the laws also have to abide by the laws. It was looking at process. It was looking at what makes our system run. When you talk about locking the doors of the House so people can have access to their own government, you don't have to lock the doors if you haven't given people notice. If they don't know when to show up to be heard or to hear what is happening that addresses their rights, then you've already taken their rights from them. So Act 10, our challenge to Act 10 was addressing the open meetings law violation, which was 30 years of legislation, 30 years of clean government that Wisconsin had, that we now no longer have as a protection for the citizens of the state of Wisconsin to have their voices heard.